Hey guys, what's going on? I want to take a little time today to talk about the thinnest knife in my collection at under 1/4 inch thick. It is the SOG Ultra XR. The SOG Ultra XR is really more of a money clip than a knife, because if you look at it, at its widest point is the pocket clip. The reason the pocket clip's set up that way is it can also be used, put some credit cards, some money under, put it in your pocket. XR lock folds it up, then you've got a basic money clip with a blade on it. So from a design standpoint, I thought it was pretty cool. It is extremely thin, and it is an S35VN blade, under 3 inches, so it is California legal. You guys can look at websites and get specs on this, but I want to say it's about a 2.7, 2.8 inch blade and somewhere under 7 inches overall. But again, a great little knife. You can put it in your pocket. You don't even realize it's there. It's a great 5th pocket carry or second knife. It gets a lot of pocket time that way for me, but let's do a couple of quick size comparisons, and let's look at it next to the 4 Max. And it's a good bit smaller than the 4 Max. Let's take a look at it next to the Baby Banner. And it is bigger than the Baby Banner. So let's go and look at the ones that we're more familiar with and see if we can find one that's close. Let's look at the Bug Out. Good bit smaller than the Bug Out, which means it's going to be quite smaller than the Paramilitary 2, PM2. So let's look at a Civivi Elementum, the original old school Elementum. So it's a little smaller than the Elementum. Again, the blade is, the handle's a little bit smaller too. So it is a small knife, guys, but it's not designed to be your primary carry unless you're into super thin knives and you're just going to slay a bunch of Amazon packages. But the bar lock on this thing works fantastic. It's not as easy to flick because it's so thin, but when you hit the axis lock or bar lock, it literally pulls the blade back in. And again, the thinness of it makes it a knife that I think if you're looking for something to disappear in your pocket, that you're going to cut paper, cut string, cut boxes, use as a letter opener, might be a good knife for you. If you're going to feather stick wood to try to start a fire in a survival setting, it's probably not what you want to look for. But again, that is the SOG Ultra XR. And so before we go, just remember to look out for the guy or gal on your left. Look out for the guy or gal on your right. Know that you're going to disagree with each other, but the best way to work through those disagreements is to have discussions. So love each other. Have a great afternoon. Peace. Love you all.